Welcome to A&M Tech. A&M Tech brings you another exciting collection of innovative products. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Don't waste your waste. Kalea was founded to create something valuable and sustainable out of our daily food scraps. No matter where you live or how much space you have, Kalea turns your organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. In only 48 hours. Zip bag is a storage container used for just about anything from keeping your leftovers fresh, to eating your salad lunch out of it. It replaces plastic containers and plastic bags, plus the waste associated, and lets you store more inside your fridge, while keeping it eco-friendly and organized like never before. In order to make a simple cup of tea, you end up overfilling the kettle. This wastes energy and water and also means you have to wait longer for it to heat up. Mito is the game changer that goes beyond your normal kettle needs. You only have to heat the amount of liquid you need using whatever vessel you prefer. And it heats more than just water, it can also heat milk, soup and even more. Mito is a super adaptable device that can heat a variety of liquids directly in the vessel of your choice. A window whose view is blocked by the next building, a room with just a tiny window, a windowless wall. How nice would it be if instead you could see a beach and a bright blue sky, a view of New York City at night, or a gentle rain to calm your mind. With Atmos Window, you can experience beautiful views you thought you never would. Atmos Window can help change your mood in a big way. Eating should be fun. Right. But have you ever tried to lose weight, build muscles or keep the pounds off while still enjoying every meal. It's annoying to keep track of your diet. So, what if there is a way to keep track of all your meal without any extra effort? Meet Nutrio. Nutrio is the world's first smart cutting board that can scan your food to keep track of your nutrition. For ages, mankind struggles to heat food. Meet the water-activated self-heating lunchbox that can heat your food wherever you want. It requires no electricity, no flames, no microwaves. All it takes is one heating pads and a bit of water. Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Landmoto Vast M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision to make night driving as clear as day. It is a nightmare, cleaning dishes with sponge and soap. Introducing you to the alternative of large and expensive dishwasher. Deo Smart Kitchen Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher is the world's first handheld dishwasher and jet steamer. Wall-mounted and portable, it puts the power of a dishwasher in the palm of your hand, getting your dishes sparkling clean without getting your hands dirty. A flexible working environment allows you to have a better working experience. 10-in-1 standing desk has built-in power strip with 3 outlets and 6 USB ports. Under desk pull-out drawer. Lockable casters and more.